What's up? It's Stephen Charles. I'm back at it. Got a few Supreme tees we're gonna check out and just a life update.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already, hit that like button down below to show me you're cool with this video. I'm just showing you the Supreme items I've copped these last couple of weeks. It's been really crazy. I work at the post office and been trying to transfer to the Aloha state, that is Hawaii. And yeah, it's been a crazy ride. Hasn't all gone my way. But I'm opening up this Supreme package kind of in a weird way because I can like reach my hand down in there without opening it. I could pull it out of it. I'm not gonna do that. I don't actually know which one this is. I have 2 different weeks. I need to catch up, you know? Haven't been able to record. It's been crazy busy. I mean, I've been trying to move my whole life to a completely different state. It feels like a whole new continent because, you know, it's Hawaii. It's like its own island all by itself. I just really love the culture over there. Just the way that life is. The aloha life is something that I think we can all learn from. But first, before I move over there, we're checking out some Supreme. Got a couple of Supreme box logo stickers in our packaging. We also got a deck of cards, Supreme mini playing cards, bicycle brand. So those are kind of cool. They might actually be worth something in the future, honestly. Out of the little toys that Supreme gives away, you never know. And this I feel like might be a hot item. That's it, yeah. Right? Yeah, that's everything. Okay, so what did I get? Oh, this is this Thrasher tee. Everybody needs to have a Thrasher t-shirt. If you don't have the Supreme Thrasher, t-shirt, what are you really doing with yourself? Are you a skateboarder? Are you into streetwear? Do you know about brands if you don't have a Thrasher hoodie or t-shirt? I mean, Thrasher magazine is a very popular magazine for skateboarders, and you can literally buy a t-shirt out of their magazine, whatever one. You know, it's like 30 bucks or something like that. I don't know about the efficacy of the t-shirts there, but this one from Supreme is made in the USA. So I got that going for me, a little bit ethical there, but yeah, just in the plastic. I'll give you a little bit of a zoomed up look. Why not? And then just warning information on the back. I do love collecting box logo stickers. I'm gonna have to bring them all with me and just cover my surfboard with it. I do want to learn how to surf or boogie board or something. I love snowboarding here in Montana while I've been here, and longboarding and all that. But yeah, longboard's over there. Talking about something else. You're talking about a surfboard, but anyways, now I'm getting into this other one. This one here is the rocker tee. Pretty sure. Let me double check. Yeah, it is. And it is like a light blue, which is kind of cool. Who is this? The box logo sticker. Special box logo in this one. Little Supreme logo on the back of it as well. That one's kind of cool. Regular Supreme box logo sticker. We have the Crash. This was actually on a t-shirt. Didn't go after that tee. And then we have this logo sticker here. I don't know how special that is. Kind of cool, I guess. But yeah, so now got a bunch of other stickers. This one is a size large. I mean, Supreme has been actually folding their t-shirts kind of loosely in the packaging lately. You never know exactly how it's going to be folded or even what size the plastic is going to be. So yeah, this packaging style is totally new. Here's a little zoom up here. A zoom up. A close-up of our information tag, little warning information. We got our Charlie Brown looking dude and Supreme. This is actually not a Charlie Brown or a Peanuts collaboration. Yeah, we are looking at some lawsuits happening here, but I actually want to wear this t-shirt. I thought it was going to be a great color for me. I liked this light blue. I thought it was actually going to be a lot more bold, a lot more loud and bright, but this is a really soft and pale sort of blue color. It almost has some greens into it, like a seafoam green in a way, but I'm pretty sure it's just light blue. Here's this tag here. Now everybody loves to see the back of the neck tags, right? Get all of that close up. And then, let's see. Nice fold marks in there. There is no seam on the inside, so no tag or wash instructions on the inside there. Everything's just on that back of the neck tag, and that's it for branding. So what do you guys think about that? I love it. I mean, look at this. I've got a guitar tattoo already. So, I mean, music has a huge part in my life. It takes up a ton of real estate in my mind. And yeah, I just I had to grab it. It seemed like it just spoke to me. So what I'll do now for everybody, I'll throw it on. We can see how a size large fits my 6'1", 150-pound frame. Let's do it. Okay, yeah, there we go. It fits so perfectly. Honestly, it's not really oversized at all. It's basically like a standard size large. Nothing special, just, I don't know, maybe extra length, but not really for a size large. Normally, size large is pretty long for tees. And then the sleeve length, nothing special, not crazy over length like a Fear of God, Jerry Lorenzo thing or Yeezy. Overall, a nice light feel. How do you guys like them paired with my Seafoam Dunks or whatever these are? I can't even remember what the colorway was called, but yeah, definitely like them. All right, well, so, dudes, I had 3 wisdom teeth taken out a few weeks ago, and literally just found out this one down here has a little bit of an infection, which has really been bumming me out. Can't be going out and doing anything. I need to stay really healthy and, you know, try and not let it get more infected and whatnot, you know, just keeping it clean and all that. So kind of has been a bummer. And plus, the same day I found out that my transfer request to Honolulu has been postponed until probably after the holidays. So looks like I'm gonna be spending one more winter here, or one more Christmas season here in Montana, where I was originally born. It's been great living here again. I lived here in Montana my whole childhood, and I just love exploring. I love living other places. I lived in other states I lived in Washington State for quite a few years and enjoyed it. Or a few, I mean, I'm not that old, honestly, but anyways, I love to get out there and explore, so I'm excited to do that. And if anybody's been following this channel, they know it's all about keeping control of your mind, helping to be kind to other people around you and everything like that, like just going out of your way to be a more positive person. And really, I think that in Hawaii, I can do that even more. I mean, not that I can't do it here, I definitely do it all day long and everything like that, but I just really like that aspect of Hawaii. I don't have to feel weird just being extra nice and friendly and giving people time and everything that I already love doing so much now in my life. So I definitely want you all to stay very positive in your daily routine, in your daily life. Go after those goals that you have, those ambitions. If you get pulled down and things start crumbling and falling apart and there's things just aren't going your way and there's nothing you can do about it, just keep pressing on. Those things that you can change, those things you do have power over, you know, take responsibility for them and really capitalize on all those opportunities. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. It doesn't always work out. Sometimes you might lose tens of thousands of dollars in the process, and it's just all part of this whole thing of existence. I mean, we get to exist, we get to live. Wow, okay, I'm getting kind of weird and philosophical here, but that's just who I am. I'd like to think deeply, so let's go do some deep thinking and cop dope streetwear, right? Anyways, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, crew? It's your boy, Stefan. Oh, man. Hey, what's up? It's Jesus Taco, although I don't talk about Jesus anymore. Wait.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one tryna get a meal. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, one tryna get it right. Tryna do right now. If it's working.